All right, guys. We're back. We're gonna do 2008, 2007, 2008 basketball SPX, 10 packs. Should be a hit in every pack. So, and I say should because we've had some bad luck. Guess some of you guys actually watch my videos will know what I'm talking about. Looks like we have a T-Max. T-Max. A T-Mac Tracy McGrady jersey. Dual jersey. And it is not numbered. Antoine Jameson, Rasheed Wallace, Dwayne Wade.
Dwayne Wade.
Dwayne Wade. Jerry Stackhouse. Kyle Korver, Tracy McGrady, and dual jersey Bonds, Zach Randolph. It's not numbered. David West, Paul Pierce, and Thaddeus Young, single jersey. He's a rookie. It's not numbered.
Are any of these going to be numbered?
We'll find out.
No, your phone's going off.
Ron Artest, Joe Johnson, Carlos Boozer. And we've got a triple. Jeff Green, Julian Wright, Brandon Wright.
Sweet.
It's not numbered. Those are all rookies. Marvin Williams on top. We got a memo occur.
Memo.
Decoy. I guess this might have been an autograph. Jarrett Jack. Nothing real special there, but he's alright. Sean Livingston, LeBron, Gilbert Arenas. I don't know if these cards have been numbered, but we have a dual jersey of Chris Bosh and Jermaine O'Neal, who are now teammates. Not numbered. That's pretty cool. Got 4 packs left. Rashard Lewis. Oh, we got another autograph. Al Horford. Nice. And we've got Greg Oden. Oh, wow, that card's dinged up right there. See that?
Where?
Right there on the side.
Oh, yeah.
This is a rookie. First overall pick. 152 of 299. It's actually... This one looks like... This is a numbered card, too. Jarrett Jack, 2 of 10. But wow, that's too bad. Really screwed up there. Oh, well. It's a pretty cool card right there. And the Horford, of course. That's a sweet card. Well, we know we get some numbered cards now. The Jarrett Jack Hot Box. We got Steven Jackson, Amari Stoudemire on top, Tayshaun Prince, and a freshman tandem, Sean Williams and Jared Dudley. 2 packs left. Tyson Chandler, Chauncey Billups, Josh Howard. Oh, that was the base, sorry. This is a TJ Ford dual jersey, not numbered. Baron Davis, Jared Wallace on top, Andrew Bogut. And we have a Herbert Hill autograph jersey. 195 out of 825. He was the 55th overall pick, so not too great, but hey, we got the Horford, so that was cool. All right, thanks guys.